Oh my God, what's happened? Oh, at 2.8, 2.4. Out here in the field, we're with Long Range Tony, and that's exactly what we're doing today. We are doing
some long range.
That's it. So what do we got set up here? What's going on for this test?
So this is my prized rig, which I hope comes back today. But we're running 5.8 standard VTX. We're running a 2.4 system, which is a Furious True D. And we're also testing out the DJI. Now, before we get loads of comments below, I know this is not ideal, 3 running concurrently on the same rig, but what the hell, we're going to give it a go, and we're just going to see what works and what doesn't work. That's it. So we're going to pretty much test 5.8 versus 2.4 versus DJI digital, all on one thing. We're flying with, you got I think an R9. We're running an R9 long range, so we'll just see how we go.
That's it. And the weather is absolutely not, conducive to long range conditions.
It's clearing, so I'm optimistic.
Fingers crossed, we'll see how this is going to go.
All right, they're working. All right, so what I'm going to do first, I'll plug the 2.4 in.
I'm getting video.
All right, so you go and stick.
I've got 5.8 at the moment.
All right, so
and the rain's coming down.
All right, here goes 2.4.
God, these conditions are disgusting.
Oh, if it works in this, it'll work in anything.
That's true. Good test.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Start my GoPro.
God, this could be terrible.
Good. That's on. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Let's get up.
Are you going to do a little hover for like a circle?
A hover? No.
A circle around us?
Yep. Ready?
Yep.
Huh. Engine on. Right, ready?
Yep.
Lots and lots of roll drag.
Okay. Well, we might not be flying long range today. How are we looking?
40.
Are we going again?
Yep. Of course.
So what?
Let's just try it again. I'll try and launch it with a bit of right roll on this time, just to compensate for the drag.
Okay. Is that canopy need to be pushed down?
Yep. Take 2.
Everything's taped in, still in place.
Lots of thorns.
God, this might disappear. This might go terribly.
Yeah. All right, let's try a different.
Radio out here doing some long range. This thing is not coming back. We might be saying goodbye, Tony.
I hope not. This is too expensive.
Okay. Oh, that looks all right.
Got a horrible roll on it. All right, so I'm going to go.
Okay.
Okay, because I might only do one run today. Really.
Yep, sure. I'm not getting any break up on the DJI.
I've got 5.8 and it's perfect.
It's perfect?
Yeah, perfect. Are you recording your goggles?
Yeah. I'll have a look at my goggles too.
Yeah, I'm only doing 30 k's an hour. But Stu, I'm almost, look at my right stick.
Hang on. Yep. I'm just checking all the goggles, man. All right, still perfect video for me. What about you, Tony?
Yeah,
DJI is...
When you're away from me, it's good.
Yep.
You know, I'm really good. 1100 meters.
Rightio.
Now, what do you reckon we aim for?
Just along the coast like that?
Just like 3 Ks?
Yeah. Are you getting any break up on 5.8?
No. A little bit of horizontal lines from the DJI, but that's about it.
Yeah, mine's pretty much perfect for this system, for the digital system.
All right, we're at 1.7 Ks.
1.7. What are we going to? How's your battery?
I'm at 15.6.
All right. And we got the wind behind us too, don't we?
I'm into a headwind at the moment. So the plan is to follow the headwind. So if things get bad, we turn around and we'll rapidly come home. 2 Ks.
All right. What are we going to do? 4?
Over 3.
This looks pretty easy. We got it pretty good.
Yeah, well, I'm only doing 60 Ks an hour into the headwind.
Oh, and you're worried about your battery?
Yeah, I'm worried about video as well. I might switch to the...
Mate, if you need to...
switch to the long one.
Here, do you want to use my digital?
No. Hang on. Stuart?
Yep.
You have to talk me. Tell me to go level, straight
I
up.
can't. Mine's frozen.
What?
Mine's stopped.
Hang on.
I've lost it.
So have I.
Look at the 2.4 system. Hit return to home on your radio.
Hang on.
Did you just save that? I've got nothing.
Oh, it's coming home. I've got video again.
I've got nothing at all. Image
On the way home.
Okay. Oh my God, what's happened?
Can you... Hang on.
I can't see. I got nothing on the digital.
I'm alright, it's coming home.
I've getting, no, oh, I did get a little bit on the DVR here.
I tell you, that's 1.7.
Okay.
We're doing 100 Ks an hour.
All right. I'm coming near you. I don't have my digital plugged in. I've only got 5.8. Okay.
Plug into that one, or look at the goggles, because it's terrible.
Yeah, my video's terrible. You want me to look at 2.8, 2.4? It's emergency time here. What's the 2.4 like? All right, Tony. Oh, I just totally forgot I was attached to this thing. Went running over to you. All right, you can land it from here?
Yeah, for sure.
I think we need to land this one.
Land. So I'm going to come in. She's hooking.
All right. I'm taking these goggles off. I wonder if the DJI system's even still on there.
Hang on.
Where are you coming in?
I'm going to need goggles.
Okay.
And we're into a headwind, aren't we?
Yeah, yeah. So that's it. We got some ducks flying past.
Hang on.
Manual mode.
Oh,
Manual
oh,
mode.
you just went up.
Yeah, it's cool.
I've still got you.
I've got it.
Do you reckon the DJI system fell off?
I don't know. It's a fair summation. Right, I'm going to try not to hit us. I'm going to come in FPV.
Yep. You're looking very steady. 5x5 in the pipe.
Roger. Maverick, how's your bowl?
Oh, you're going all over the shop there. Yeah, just coast it in like that. Okay.
No, dude. I'm happy with that.
You're over the fence.
Good. I'm down in one piece.
All right, let's stop our DVRs, stop our goggles.
All right.
I grabbed this thing for you
right.
and pulled everything over.
Right.
I don't even know if we're still getting video from this thing. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
but
okay. All right, I'm going to go and have a look.
I'll come with you.
How far?
All right, hey, let's check all SD cards.
All I have to say,
Holy
thank goodness for return to launch.
I know, because you were trying to get video, and that's why I was like, just flick that button, right?
I had nothing.
Yeah, but But you were focused on getting video. You'd forgotten about the return to home button, yeah?
Okay, so we've got to get in here.
Is this electric?
Probably.
I think it might be.
We've got to get in. That's all right.
We'll see, what's this?
Yeah, that's electric. Hang on, we'll come back this way. No, it can't be, because it runs along the top of the fence.
Touch it with the back of your hand.
No. No, it can't be.
No, it's not. Don't rip your jeans. All right, Tony's over the barbed wire fence. Straight ahead, and you're not in this, but you're in the field. To the right. No, to the right, yep. 15 degrees, yep.
Got it. Good landing.
DJI system on there? Nope. It's not?
It's in my pocket.
Oh, you want me over there?
Yeah, do you mind?
Yeah, that looks like a better spot.
It's much sturdier.
You can just stand on that and jump over.
Just need your shoulder.
Yep, sure. Nice.
Oh, pull that hammy.
Did you? Did you?
No, it was a bit.
Oh, let's go over here and then we can look at the weather now, Tony.
Oh no, it's amazing.
It's the wind has stopped, the rain has gone, we just long ranged it. Hey, hang on. Have we lost the deep? There it is.
It's still
What
there.
happened?
It
just stopped. I just got image transmission stopped, and yours went to buggery too, right?
Mine went to buggery.
Only thing that worked was the 2.4.
Well, did it?
It was. The 2.4 was crystal clear when I ran over to get it.
Because I plugged in and I couldn't see
On
it.
2.4?
Yeah.
Okay, no, mine was still good, and I came over to get you. But I was like, oh, we need to get this back. I ran over with the 2.4 system still plugged in. It's attached to the fence. And it pulled me back and fell off.
Okay. Well, all we have to say is we had a very bad start.
Yes.
I'm still pulling the thorns out.
Let's recap.
So for those...
We launched it. It went straight into the thorn bush down there.
Now, if you are not from Australia, I'm actually going to take you to the thorn bush. Come with me.
At the end. We'll do that at the end of the video.
Right. And we'll show you the thorns that are on this tree. You won't believe it. So that saved us. I've got a few little holes in here. We tried again. I put full right aileron on.
It was wanting to just roll the whole time. It just wanted to roll to
the left because of where we put the system. And that got it
probably
stable.
Need a counterbalance weight.
So anyway, we got it flying.
We're at to what, 3Ks?
We got out to just under 3Ks.
Okay.
And then video just got lost.
Did yours? Mine just stopped. It just said image transmission stop.
Yes, unbelievable. All
right, Tony, this is our first crash.
All right, so this is a
what do you call these?
A bonus extra for our overseas viewers. This is a Australian box thorn, and as you can see, every branch.
Well, it's not even branches.
Every little stick on the end.
Spikes. That'll pierce your jumper.
Oh, I stabbed Stuart with it.
Yeah, you can do some sewing with that.
But everything in it is like if you land in here, you'll be picking these yourself. Picking these out of yourself for a long time.
I reckon there's an antenna in there.
I reckon there could be an antenna in there.
Or it came off in a crash.
Or it's in the other one.
You'd think it'd be on the ground though, right?
Yeah, well I know where the other one is. We'll look on the way out. What do you reckon? Not there? Because it was here. It was literally, it was in there, like that.
Okay.
So if it's here, it was on the lower wing, so it would have been about here.
And I'm glad we look at the weather now.
Yeah, it's magic, isn't it? I'm getting a bit hot.
Yeah.
It's not here. I'm going to call it.
Right. So it was on there then on the second launch. That was just a fun episode.
Yeah, well let's try it without the 5.8 and see if we get some better stability, and then we'll try the 2.4.
Wait, what do you mean?
We'll take the DJI off.
Okay.
And we'll try these two together.
All right. You want to go again?
Yeah.